Step into the Network Design and Troubleshooting Bootcamp. In this course, you'll learn how modern networks are planned, built, and maintained. Start with network topologies, architectures, IP addressing, and subnetting to understand efficient network design. Next, explore routing and switching design, network security and design, and practical strategies for stable and scalable networks. Gain hands-on experience with IP planning, configurations, and troubleshooting exercises to fix connectivity and performance issues. Learn troubleshooting methodologies, real-world scenarios, and case studies to see how professionals solve network challenges. This course also prepares you for CCNA, CCNP, and enterprise network engineering roles, giving you the skills to design, secure, and manage networks confidently. Let's get started on building your networking expertise.